My name is Sanjay Gupta and I head technology for Kotak Mahindra Bank. I've been there for almost 3 decades. So I'm responsible for making sure that technology is well executed and adopted within the firm. So technology has been actually evolving at a very fast pace than what we can think of. Some of the developing things are cloud native systems, cloud native applications, SaaS, which is software as a service, platform as a service, and so on. Coupled with that, we have AI and ML space rapidly developing, and there are many use cases which the banks and the customers can really benefit from. So AI and ML is going to be a space which is going to be emerging a lot, and banks can benefit from it, customers also can benefit from it a lot. So that is an area to be really watching for. That's number two. Number three, API services and microservices is an area which is again fast developing and which is actually giving birth to a lot of open banking capabilities that are developing in the market space. So APIs, every system, every core system that is going to be created needs to be having API capabilities, where it can lend to either the fintechs or the marketplace or all the e-commerce partners which are there, to make sure that they integrate well and open banking is given a boost to it. So these are some of the areas which I feel are fast developing and something that the bank should be continuously working upon. So for us, I think all these areas which are emerging in the marketplace are going to be important and going to be relevant for us. If I have to pick up few areas where we need to really focus upon is acquisition, engagement, and experience. And in all three areas, it is where the customer needs to be connected with in a better form, in a digital form. Acquisition is developing very, very fast, and there are a lot of services which are now available either as a cloud as a service or a platform as a service, where it gives a boost to the overall acquisition of different products and services that the bank is wanting to offer. Similarly, on the engagement layer is where the customer can be connected by a relationship with the 360-degree capabilities, and the 360-degree information to make sure that the engagement with the customer is appropriate and useful for the customer. Banks can also leverage and benefit from it. So engagement is another area which is developing very fast and going to be very important for the banks like us. And the third space is experience, where we need to make sure that the customer benefits from the experience, which is going to be simple, user-friendly, and seamless in nature. The underlying theme, for all these three is going to be DIY, do it for you, and do it with you. So this is the underlying theme where we are going to be working upon and making sure that all the areas, we engage with the customer, we give you a good experience, and make sure that when we acquire a customer, he enjoys the overall interaction that the bank has provided him. See, some of the areas which we've been able to successfully operate is in the area of digital payments. Digital payments is a space where volumes are growing multifold, month on month, year on year, and it is something that we need to keep rising up to. So the volumes are going multifold, and hence we need to make sure that the systems scale up, and the systems are the whole experience is made seamless from a customer point of view. The second space which has actually emerged a lot is use of biometrics, facial, Aadhaar, and e-digital signing. So these are other areas where customer is able to transact from wherever his place of work is, or even from his residence for that matter, or whether he is on the move as well. So this is a second area that we've been trying to leverage a lot, and making sure that the customer is given all the convenience that is possible for him to be given, and mobility is a key underlying factor. The digital lending has been an area of focus throughout, and Kotak also plans to successfully implement a lot of digital lending capabilities through all the various technology avenues which are now available, either through cloud or through on-premises, or through technologies which are able to connect and give an overall seamless experience. So we've been engaged with Infosys for over 10 years now, I think, and Finacle as a core banking system has been a very central piece in the overall landscape of Kotak Mahindra's technology. And we've seen Finacle grow in terms of both the technology stack and in terms of the capabilities of the system itself. The new developments within Finacle, which is, for example, the digital accelerator for that matter, and cloud native, migration to the cloud native stack of Infosys or of Finacle per se, is going to really, give boost to the aspirations, of the digital space that the way it is evolving.